Hey y'all, so I just did this look and now I'm about to do another one with the same face because I'm bored, so why not? So it's a 2-for-1 special. Here we go. So I'm just gonna take a makeup wipe and just wipe this off. Why does it look so dark? There we go. Off of my eyelid. And to be honest, the eyeliner is waterproof, so it's actually hard for it to come off. For me to get it off, I have to use like a oil. Wipe that off. So I am taking the Huda Beauty Warm Up Sessions palette again. I am going to go in with this chocolate brown shade and put that right in the crease. Just packing this color on. Now the other eye, same thing. And I don't even know why I picked this brush. I thought it was a blending brush, but it's really not. So it's coming out kind of streaky. And this is not even a streaky eyeshadow. So I'm actually going to get a blending brush. Now I'm taking the lighter shade and doing my brow bone again. Same as the last one. I'm gonna take the same color on the last one, this light brown, and put that on the lid portion. I'm just gonna go right back over the liquid eyeliner and make sure it's still bright and vibrant. And then I'm gonna take this blue eyeliner pencil and then just put that right on the lower lash line, just for a little color. This is a really pretty blue. Go back over my mascara again. Want to line my lips with just brown pencil liner. Now I'm gonna take MAC's Velvet Teddy and put that in the center. And that is the final look. Let me zoom in so y'all can see. Alright y'all, that is it for look number 2. I was really just on some bored type shit, so don't mind me. But if you did enjoy, don't forget to comment, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. Bye y'all, until next time.